First, lightness. PET imitation tile foam wall stickers are light and easy to transport and install. Second, easy to cut and install. The material is flexible and malleable, easy to cut and DIY install. Third, cost effectiveness. The cost is lower than traditional tiles and UV boards, which is economical. Fourth, heat and sound insulation. The foam structure provides heat and sound insulation, which is better than ordinary tiles. Fifth, diverse styles. A variety of patterns and colors are available, imitating the appearance of tiles, wood, etc. Sixth, environmental protection. PET materials can be recycled and reused, with little environmental impact. Follow me to learn more about home decoration materials products.